So, guys, long time. Thanks for 13 subscribers. Okay, so I'm gonna play Pilot Training Flight Simulator, aka PTFS. Been playing this since a while. So, I have a plan mapped out. So, we'll be going somewhere to the most deserted island ever known. It's right next to the smallest island in this game. So first we'll be taking off from Sinop. From here, I don't know how to pronounce that. And we'll go over here to this island, which is known as Bird's Island. What God knows, man. I want to do butter landing. So Sinop yeah, God knows what the hell is that name. What's the airport? Okay, 50 subs is my goal. I can stream shit. Okay, not shit, something. Not Air Force One. Should I cargo? Take cargo, nah. Should I take a jet? Nah. Let me down in the comments, man. Next video I'll do about this. Need 1 like, okay? I'm gonna take Lufthansa because my school friend's favorite flight. I mean airline. Take pushback to CB Han, okay? Holy shit, that engine is swinging. I'm just go back to waste my fuel. I'm going to reverse. Oh, why does the pushback take so long? Just gonna do like this, bada boom, bada ba. In a taxi? Oh my god, brakes! Oh my god, brakes, please. Where does this go in the front? Whew. Have to go zoom in now, cause I don't need any time. Okay, I'm gonna make my own taxiway over here. That's it, not the best, okay? Be quite rough. Okay, all fine. Holy shit. Okay, playing after a long time, man. I don't know how many minutes I have. Holy shit, I have 52, man. I'm taking, not now. How do we even... forgot how to manage. Okay, ATC, I'm taking off. God, I don't even know. No ATC over here. Is there anyone in the chat? I'm not gonna crash. I'm gonna crash. Let's see. Oh yeah, I have to go to Tokyo International. No, I mean Bird's Island. I always fly over there. Can you take off? Okay, nice. There we go. Okay, good. Just climb altitude to 5,000, let's say. Oh, not that sharp. Just close. I love how the landing is going. Hey, did this all do? Hey, I'm just such an idiot. Let me fly to that. Oh yeah, on YouTube I just searched now. It's my phone just said that they did update the landing gear. Now they have physics. They update the flaps as well. We played this game so long. Oh no, they didn't update it. Should update the flaps now. Look here. What was cat doing? 100. I mean, I could go to 5,000. I'm on 3,000 still. Come on. Okay, I'm just gonna go Flight attendants, great must be going. I hope no failures come when I'm flying this. Okay, 5,000, perfect. Altitude hold, oh yeah, they do have. Let's go a little bit down. The hell? Oh, so yeah, I thought it was a pod. Just ignore that. None your business. Yeah, the time's right. We'll go to engine. Oh, heck's happening to the engine? There's no smoke over here. Let's see. Oh yeah, the rain has smoke. They added now. You can zoom out like. It looks like a fighter jet. It looks like a tanker. It looks cool though. Double up. Okay, approaching Tokyo International Airport. It's in the map. I'm scared to land because that's very, very soon. Yeah, now we can. God, this is very small. I mean, the smallest airport is usually this airport. Fine. 750 feet. I don't even know if this plane will land in Sea Heaven. Not Sea Heaven, Sea Heaven is both, right? Yeah, Bird's Island. Becoming morning, yo. I love the physics in the. Just noticed. So dumb. Did they add? Now we can see island from far. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, decreasing to zero feet. No, I'm not going to. Shit. Okay, nose diving. Let's see. Do advanced mode, April. Why not? Yeah. Red. Oh my gosh, I'm getting illusion. Might as well just die. Maybe. I don't know how to pull up. Oh yeah, this is the way how to pull up. Where am I going? Ah, 1,000 feet instead of freedom. I'm not going on top. I said I'm not going on top. I'm going on top. Oh my god, where am I going? Oh yeah, wait, I have to go that side. Cause I need a big run up. Am I is it even there? Oh no, I don't want to go the USS Grenade side. I'm carrying 4 engines. Hello Kitty. What the fuck? Hello Kitty, yeah. Nice. Then I could buy. I don't want to buy it. What the hell is that food for? Oh, I'm fine. Why am I going on 1,000? Like, fine. Oh, now it's dark. It's only a night time. This plane has 4 engines, but it looks so small. Something sus. Suspicious. Not that sus. Okay, not the dark version. I'm talking about the stage, you know? Yeah, you are. Cha cha. So Indian will know the meme. Cha cha. I'm Indian. Proud. I'm proud to be an Indian. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to wish you happy Independence Day 18th. Forgot to wish you. My legs broken. I'm still playing though. It's not broken. I mean, I twisted it violently. It was fractured earlier. Now I removed the cast and I put that thing, that medicine cast. Oh my gosh. I don't know what's it called. 70% speed. Let's see. Okay. Holy. Ah. Landing? Oh my god, what's happening? Okay, I might just end this video soon. Okay, some more time to go now. 40. And we won't go to the chapel. And then the chapel attack. You know how painful it is. Okay, I'm gonna just zoom out. Where is the airport? Where am I? Where's the airport? Where is it? Why am I going 50? The guys, I think you're telling me this is the airport. What the? It's not even the size of my plane. Oh no, it's not the airport. What's that? It's the island. You have to land in the water. Okay, water land. Oh, what the? How did it spawn over there? This ain't fair, man. Ain't fair. Spawn out of nowhere. Okay, I have to decrease my speed into 4. Okay. 6, that's spawn. Let's see. Stalling. Yo. Stop. Stop. Okay, I'm just landing. I'm gonna try to do better. I don't think it's called stalling, but I don't think it's stalling. Okay, now we're just gonna go to the Sava airport. I think it's called Sava. Let's go fast. I have like 10 thing, including the direct new plane or something, that achievement. I don't know what it is. I know the crash landing video from mad scientists and missile thing. So okay, so landing. Wait, this is the airport? I didn't even see this. Ah, not this side. Okay, I'm not doing about it. I don't know what I'm doing. So I better doing this. Come do about it. Please? Okay, that wasn't a butter at all. Oh my gosh. I'm just going, getting out of here from here. I'm landing at Tokyo International. I can't land. How do I take off though? Yeah, I'm gonna go drifting. Whee! Oh my gosh, I better take off. Ooh, what a crash. Why am I not taking off? Take off. Take off. It's sorry, man. I know I didn't do it. Just let me take off. Oh yeah, this game won't listen to me. I'm a bit fussy again. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, it's moving. I'm moving a lot though. Yeah, I'm just gonna land Tokyo International. I'm not landing over there. I look like a pro doing this. Should I land? Okay, 1000. No, that's nice. I mean, this is bad. I mean, nice. What the hell? Oh, come on. Fuel, reaching half. Oh yeah, I got this achievement going in that fire thingy. Okay, now I'm gonna land. Maybe my flag. I'm just gonna go. Hey, no descending. I said English accent and late. Wow. 26, 25, 27. What the hell's happening? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I did a big mistake. Did I crash? Yep, I did. Nah, I didn't. I'ma say no. You'll see, yes, I'ma say no. This might be a very fast butter. I might do it. Come on. Yes, I forgot how to do butter. Why was coming in the middle? You apple beluga. Extra large fat kilo. Oh, don't crash it. Butter, butter, butter. Come on. Ooh, what a nice butter. Butter for a long time. Feels good. Okay, all, thank you for watching. Just please subscribe. 50k. I mean, not 50. I'm not getting that in my life. 50 subs max, please. I want to stream. Okay, it's still moving. Okay. Yeah. Bye bye. Panjaro, this is for you, damn. You like it. You can't, so I did it for you. What's the butter? I mean, tell me what plane I should use next. Not the Roblox ones. I don't have this game passes. Just let me down in the comments below. Just tell me what flights and where destination, go what all. Yeah. Okay, bye bye. I mean, you can give me those. Sorry.